Hey, what's going on, guys? So, I'm doing a couple of videos today with my BMW while I have time to. So, I've seen a lot of videos talking about use WD-40 for foggy lights or dirty lights, headlights, lens. So, I want to try that. I want to see if it's going to really work or it was just a dumb idea someone came up with. As you can see, my headlights, it's not good at all. I can't see with them at night at all, and they're seriously dirty. It's not dirty, it's clean, it's just foggy, and it has this yellowish on lens because of the sun, and the car being old since 2004, and headlights never being replaced as the original headlights, so we're gonna try that today. Alright guys, I have the WD-40 right here. I'm gonna clean the headlight first. It says tire shine, but no, it has water in it, water and soap in it. Alright, moment of truth. Let's try it. No, nothing. Didn't do anything. I mean, it cleaned the lens, but not what I expected. Let's give it a couple minutes. Or let me get something like a sponge, like heavy sponge. Let's see if it's gonna work. Okay, I'm back again. So, I got the sponge. Sorry, it's kinda, dirty, got it from the kitchen. But let's try again. Probably the WD-40 did its job, but the fabric is not enough. Let's try again. As you can see, like the headlights is kind of foggy compared to the other one. Oh, this one's dirty. We gotta come back to this one later after we see the results from this one. With the other one, we're gonna try something else. Let's see. Alright. With the rough side. Let's try to scrap it real good. I'm gonna see if we're gonna come up with something. And hopefully we do. Is that enough, maybe? I don't know, guys. I don't know. Seems like it got it cleaned up a little bit, but not the same results from what I saw on YouTube videos. Like after using the WD-40, it becomes like this clear. I'm talking about like this clear. That's what I saw. Like this one, I mean, it did something, but not 100%. Let me know, guys, in the comments, what do y'all think? Alright, I think this is it for the video. Or maybe try the compound and polish and then wax it and see if it's gonna make a difference. Alright, before you go, guys, let's try that. Why not? While you're here, let's try that. Okay, I'm back again. So I got the compound, polish, and the wax. So I'm gonna go with the compound first, and polish, then wax it, and see what the result's gonna be. This is before, after using the WD-40, which is, I think it just made it foggy, but it removed the yellowish color. But I'm still not happy with the results. Probably at the end, I'm just gonna end up replacing the lens, the headlights, lens right here, the top cover. It's 2004, so it's kind of replaceable. But let's try these first. Here we go. Let's go with this one too. Yeah, I can see my failure here. Let me finish what I started. I don't see nothing. I don't see no difference from... No, actually. Guys, I'm lost. I don't know. Does it work? No? Yes? Thumbs up? Yes, it's looking better than before. Try the compounding. Yeah, let's try the polish now. Right, polish. Ah, come on. What do you think, guys? I think it's getting better and better each time I'm kind of digging. Let's compare it to the other one. Yeah, I think it just made it a little bit different. Alright. So, I'm gonna use the wax next as the last step, and I don't know, guys, should you try these steps on your car or not? For myself, I think he has kind of made it a little bit different, but not what I wanted. I wanted something much better. Like, I don't know, my idea of that, gonna restore it and make it look brand new, not just clean it up. But let me know in the comments if you're gonna take these steps, if you're gonna use these steps or not, or did it make it different or not, or just clean it up. Alright, I'm gonna do the wax next. And on the other headlights, I'm gonna just do the same steps because I see a little bit of difference, but not what I expected. But I'm kind of happy now. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching.